So in the previous video, once we uploaded the file, it goes and create a video record in the database. As well, it will move us to the edit form, but we forget also to save this file into temporary folder. So this is what we are going to do in this video. So if we go to the file Livewire video, create video class, and after the validation on file completed method, we need to save the file, and then create, of course, the video record in the database. This is what we already did. So we can do this and then video file. I have the video file, and then I run save method, then I give it or store. It will be store. This is all in the documentation for Livewire. So then we can call it videos temp, and then I can store this into path. And if you remember, there is something called path as well in the database. Once we create also this one, I will store the path. So this path will be something like the path will be videos /temp and then some numbers, I think, and then extension mp4. So what I need only the file. So if I want to store the file only, so I need to use the function from PHP called explode. So we'll use explode, and then we give it the character that I want to make it as an array, and then take the first one or second one. Second will be 1 because the folder will be 0 index, and then 1 will be the file name. So if everything is fine, we go back and then do. So I have one file here, so let's go back and just upload another file. Go to sample, for example, upload it, and if we go to the folder, I have this one in the temporary folder, and then if you see, there is a new folder called videos temp, and I have installed it here or save it in this folder. Plus, if we go to the database and refresh, then we should see the path also having the file name only, and see, this is the file name here without the folder name.